Hi, I'm Miriam Anthony from the MMP Mental Health Committee. In this video, we are going to walk through how to find a counselor through the MMP website. Here we are starting on bridgedeck.org, and on the right, click on Resources and then Mental Health and Wellness. From here, click on Link to Provider List and then Provider Directory. This is going to take you to the Cigna Healthcare Provider webpage, and you want to click on address here. I live in Los Angeles, so I'm going to put that in, and then doctor by type. I found the best way to find a counselor is simply to type in counselor, and then it gives you the option of different types of counselors. For this demonstration, I'm just going to click on mental health counselor and search. From here, you can choose one of these different kind of specialties. I'm going to choose anxiety. You can skip this step if you want, and continue. Once on this page with a list of counselors, you can sort through them. I recommend you click on accepting new clients. Here, accepting new patients. If you prefer a male or a female, you can do that and apply. Now you can start reaching out to them directly and decide if they're a good fit, if they're taking new clients, and so on. Their phone numbers are all listed here. If you're looking for a remote counselor, it doesn't really matter if they're actually in your city. They only need to be licensed in your state. My counselor is in Oakland, and I live in Los Angeles. If you need further assistance finding a counselor, feel free to reach out to me at the email below.